Zach helped me get it started, so I want to give him a quick spin in the car to see how it feels before we get this thing towed on over to my place. I can smell that Tabasco stuff.
I know, I can too. It still had the scent in the house.
Yeah.
And red dot.
Like my shift knob here. It's a 360-degree shift knob.
Goes all the way up to 12th gear, right? Like
yeah.
You flip it around?
Yeah. Don't need no radio. We got V8 sounds. I did notice a little rattle back here, but nothing crazy.
Is that from this? Oh.
Is that what that is?
Wait, no. I don't know what it's from. Definitely turns heads. Especially with the hood and the bumper off. That little kid. Breaking necks left and right. Blinkers, so this will be interesting. Oh, don't stall it.
Oh, almost stalled it on video. I got nervous because we were at a stop sign with another guy. Oops. It's not like the steering wheel comes off though, that'd be different.
We need to switch a couple pieces out.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna try and re-tap this because the threads are all screwed up. Someone put duct tape over it and really messed it up. Ah, it's the third. The greatest shift on that one, but getting used to it. This is cool, man. Never thought I'd be driving a red Corvette around with no hood or bumper on.
Yeah, I couldn't say that was a foreshadowing.
You can see the heat coming off the engine now. It's that normal thing you see because normally you have a hood on the car. it was a little bit cleaner.
Yeah, that'd be nice. It's a little hard to see out of. You know what will be nice? You'll have a nice little spot right here.
Put the
Like
camera.
yep, the GoPro.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that too.
You can just suction cup it there.
Yep. Still feels solid even after 3 laps. Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just doing a quick intro right now because the tow truck is coming. So moral of the story is I plan to get a 1-day temporary move permit so I could just drive this car over to my place, but there's a lot more to it than just that, and so I'll get to that in another video. But moral of the story is I'm taking advantage of my AAA towing, so we're gonna just tow this thing over to my place. So the driver's on his way to pick up the car. We got a flatbed coming because obviously you need that with a car like this, and we got some parts in the back here, and then the rest of the parts like the hood and the front bumper I'll be taking over in the truck. So we get the hood covered in a bunch of moving blankets. There's part of the old oil pan, the bumper, and a few other things. So we'll get it filmed as we load it up, and then we'll pull it into the garage for the very first time over at my place. Back on a truck it goes. Came on a truck and left on a truck. If it just wasn't for this stupid California DMV being so complicated. Ba-da-da! She is here. Alright guys, so the car is in its new home here at the garage. I'm gonna have to get this place a little bit organized. As you can see, the go-kart's now here. So I'm gonna get some caster plates for this guy so we can push it up farther against the wall and make it easier to move around the garage without having to steer it and everything. But definitely need a little more reorganization / organization, but it'll come together nice, and it fits in pretty nicely. So it's really cool to see this thing finally over here. Big thanks to the tow truck driver for helping us out. A really nice guy and cool guy as well. So that was nice to be able to get this thing easily over here with no complications. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing a little bit more content of the Corvette here and how it's making its progress. And I'm trying to record as much as I can of the whole process for you guys, just to you know, be able to look back on it, but also share it with you guys. So if you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button because there's so much more cool content to come with this car and the build. So I hope you guys are excited for it just as much as I am. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you in the next one.